Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable the S Pen Air View on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings, and in here tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. In advanced features, tap on S Pen, then go down and tap on Air View. So in here, tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on Air View. You can also tap on the left hand side panel, and at the top, you can also toggle the switch to turn it on or off. When this is on, you can set Air View to use previews and pointer, or just pointer only or previews only. And set here, turn on Air View pointer to see exactly where your S Pen's pointing. And turn on Air View previews to scroll or peek into links, albums, and events by hovering your S Pen over it. So here I can just choose preview only, so it does not show the S Pen pointer. If you want to show the S Pen pointer, you can switch it on. And here is the previews and pointers. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.